In order to create the Google Classroom, we need to sign in through the Gmail account. The first thing which we need to keep in mind that if your institution had provided an institution Gmail account to you, that is the G Suite account, then you need to log in through that G Suite account, and at the same time the student need to also log in through their Gmail account. I am creating Google Classroom through an institutional ID provided by the Holkar College. In order to create Google Classroom, we have two options. The very first is we can type classroom.google.com. The page will get open. Here it's empty because we have not created any classroom yet. The another way is we can click on these 9 dots, that is the Google Apps, and here you will get the icon for the Google Classroom. By clicking on this icon also we can create the Google Classroom. As you can see here, there is a add button, plus button, which says create or join class. So as a teacher, we will click on this add button and create our own class. And student also will join their class through this add button only. Hands-on session and create our own class. When we click on add, we get two options. The first is join class and the second is create class. As a teacher, we have to create the class. So click on create class. A window and a box get opens which ask few fields which we need to fill in order to create our class. The very first is the class name, and it is the only mandatory field in the whole box. Let us give this class name as BCom First Year Economics. If you have sections in your college, you can also give section to this class. We can also write the subject name, like if I teach microeconomics, I will write here in the subject. You can put the room number of the class also for an identification purpose. After filling all the fields, we need to just click on create class, and our class would be created in just few seconds. See, this is the home page of our Google Classroom, or the front page. As you can see, there are 4 tabs. The first is the stream tab, the second is the classwork tab, the third is the people tab, and the last is the marks tab. Let us understand the stream tab. The stream tab displays the name of the class which we have mentioned while we have created the Google Classroom. Below this, we get the section. We get the class code in the stream tab in the front only, so that we can share this with our students. We are also getting Google Meet link, that is the Google Meet extension here inbuilt in the Google Classroom. We get this Meet link only when we use Google Classroom through the institution ID. The stream tab acts as a notification center. All the latest informations provided by the teacher will be available to the student in this particular stream tab. If you want to change the background of this particular stream tab, you can change it by select theme or upload theme. Let us explore this option. If you click on select theme, you get multiple options: general category, English and history, maths and science, arts, sports and others. So there are images related to each and every subject. So I am just going for this general section and choosing this particular theme. We need to just click on select class theme and this theme has been changed. If you want to upload a specific photograph of your class, you can do this by upload photo and selecting from your device.